Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MD Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video we are going to solve a new DSA problem of Geeks for Geeks. Before going ahead, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss these types of awesome video whenever I upload. Without getting late, let's start the video. First in first, you have to come on the Geeks for Geeks site. Okay, here on Geeks for Geeks site, what you have to do basically in filter sections, in difficulty level, you have to select the basic level. Okay, and in topic section, you have to select the arrays. So here you will see there are lots of problem we have already solved. Okay, I will put the link of the playlist in description box. You can watch from there. Okay, now guys, today we are going to solve this problem, that is Ishaan loves chocolates. Okay, obviously I think this is very interesting problem. Let's deep dive into the problem statement, then we will discuss on the whiteboard. Okay, and then after we will code it. Now guys, let's understand the problem statement. As we know, Ishaan has a love for chocolates. Okay, he has bought a huge chocolates bar that contains n chocolates squares. Okay, each of the squares has a testness label which is denoted by an array. Okay, testness label which is denoted by an array. Ishaan can eat the first or the last square of the chocolate at once. Okay, Ishaan can eat only first or the last chocolate at once. Ishaan had a sister who loves chocolate too. Okay, Ishaan's sister also loves chocolate, and she demands the last chocolate square. No, Ishaan, being greedy, eats the more tasty square first. Okay, what exactly is our task? Determine the tastiness level of the square which his sister gets. Nice. Guys, we have given an array of different tastiness of the chocolates. Higher number indicates the higher taste of the chocolate. Okay, so Ishaan wants to eat uh, the chocolate whose taste is higher. Okay, and there is a condition: Ishaan can eat only first or last of the chocolates, and his sister also loves the chocolates, so she wants the last chocolates. Okay, no, Ishaan is very greedy. Okay, he wants to eat all the tasty chocolates at first. Okay, so we have to find out, determine the chocolate which his sister will get. Okay guys, let's see an example. Here is the example first. It contains the 5 chocolates, 5, 3, 1, 6 and 9. Number indicates the taste of the chocolates. Okay, and in this situation, let's jump to the our whiteboard. Okay, what exactly, how much? 5, 3, 1, 6, 9. 5, 3, 1, 6, 9. Okay, no, 5, 3, 1, 6, 9. Yes, let's understand the problem statement on whiteboard. We have given an array. Okay, array containing the element 5, 3, 1 and 6 and 9. Okay, 6 and 9. Okay guys, what exactly condition is Ishaan can eat from the first or the last? Okay, Let's see. 9 is the higher number, so its taste is higher. Its taste is higher, so Ishaan will eat first this 9. Okay, let's 5, 3, 1, and 6. Okay, now 9 has popped the element from the array because it has already eaten by Ishaan. Okay, so now in second step, he will eat 6. Then our array will become 5, 3, 1. Okay, guys. And this is step number 1. This is step 2 and step 3. And in fourth, he will eat 5 because this is the tasty chocolate. Then it 3 and 1 only will be left. Okay. Now in next step, he will eat 3. Then we have only one chocolate. Okay, whose tastiness level is 1. So this chocolate Ishaan will give to her sister. Then finally our output return will be 1. Okay, guys, it means what? What exactly? After discussion, what we got? Let's come on the conclusion part. Basically, we have given an array. We have to return the smallest. Let's see what I say. A smallest element of the array. We have to return only a smallest element of the array. That's it. Our output will be right. Okay. Let's come on the code editor, and here we will code it. Okay. First in first, what we will do? Basically, let initialize a variable that is less test. Okay. Or array of 0. Oh, let's suppose 0th index of the element is okay, less test. Now what we will do, let's traverse on the array. Okay, let item of array. What we have to do, we will only check if item is less than okay test, then what we will do, less test equal to item. Okay, that will be the smallest. Less test means the smallest element. After for loop, we will return less test element, that is a smallest element of the array. Let's compile and run. What happened? I will see. Yeah, here you can see our output and expected output both are equal. Let's submit how much test cases are there. We will see all the test cases are passed or not. Okay, guys, here you can see there are 225 test cases were there. All these test case has been passed. Okay, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. And once again, if you haven't liked this video, please like. Why you are not liking? Please like. Okay, please like and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss these types of awesome video. Guys, I will see you in the next video with new DSA problem. Thank you very much for watching this video.